Okay, so hi everybody. Right. So this gonna give you a demo regarding project, okay, as well as showcase UI. Okay, fine. So first of all, um, this is my okay structure. Uh, in the data, basically all these things are there where I have cleaned all the files are here. Okay, and the stack traces as I told you about the different languages and as well as yeah, it has Apache's errors as well. And yeah, in Mozilla there are Mozilla bug reports, and in Eclipse there are Eclipse bug reports. Okay, and coming to this, okay, docs. Docs is nothing but where I have done all the MD files and all. Okay, my documents and all are here. Yeah, except the read.md which is in the main. Okay, and this is the notebook, and where I whatever codes I am doing, I'll just keep it here. Okay, and in SRC the UI things, okay, the regarding the apps and all, whatever things are needed, okay, and read dot it. And in ENB basically we'll have all the the sensitive, okay, the API codes and all, okay. However, so first of all, let me tell you one thing because I just thought like people should know what all things I'm doing regarding this. Okay, so I have just taken it under the virtual environment so that it should not get any kind of errors. I have came through a kind of error like I was not taking it under the virtual environment. When I have taken it under the virtual environment, then it got fixed. So yeah, however, so just running the app. Okay, it takes a bit time to load, but yeah, let's wait for a while. I have just taken you all through this, kind of everything like from the start because as we are representing it, so everyone should know. That was my intention. So you all people should get to know. Okay, that's it. Uh, okay, so it has already been there. Okay, and it's here on the screen. Takes time to load. I guess you are able to see this. Let's wait for a minute. Only the loading purpose is a kind of this thing, but while giving the demo, usually we'll just start from the UI. We won't wait for the loading part and all. We won't show this everything as I showed you from the start VS Code and all. We won't show that all. We'll already load the app and just the thing will be taken. Okay. However, we are deploying certain in that I guess. Let's see how it goes. Um, let's just check with that. Okay, so as you can see, this has already been loaded here. Okay, and it's loading because the data and all the retrieval things. Basically, before that, I'll just give you a structure about this. Okay, here I have a menu where the first thing is submit bugs, where we are going to submit the bugs, getting the reports of all the agents. Then the next is the analytics dashboard, where everything regarding the app. Okay, it's going to show. Okay, the analysis of this has been recorded in this. What I thought as well for adding up the knowledge base and user guide, even though I just want one thing I've thought of important. User guide is important, I thought. User guide and about the project description. That's it. I thought, but I have kept knowledge base as an exception thing. Okay. Now then, so as you can see here, okay, this is the text. Here we are going to paste the bug, okay, and the messages as well, okay, or you can just upload the file, and the limit is by default it was set as. However, it doesn't matter for me. If you just click the upload, it will just show you this. Okay, and yeah, before submitting, it will show waiting for a bug to be pasted or uploaded. Okay, it is waiting for the bug. So like we don't need to worry about that. Okay, now let me paste the error first of all. So okay, so then um, let's go for Go language. Oh, okay, now it's the C hash will go. We'll go for C hash because Go was already done. That's why I was just going for C hash or Java, any of this kind. Okay, so let's go with this. Okay, so basically, I have created the bar. Okay, like I have created an error. As if you are familiar with this Java. Okay, so basically, what happens here is this I should be small. Okay, I should be small, but due to I here is capital, right? And Java is a case sensitive language, right? That's why it throws an error, compilation error. Let's copy the same thing because see what basically we want whenever we are getting the error, we'll just copy and paste, right? We want the system itself takes it in the description of, so I'm pasting it and it says run now. So whenever it is running, it shows this thing. Yeah, we can even see the messages what is happening. Okay, generating the fix. So basically the it's done. Okay, however, it is taking up time for the other parts as well for root person. Okay, so first of all, let me take you through this. So this is you know where I can just reduce or I can increase the number of duplicate detection agents. I mean not the agents but the evidences I want. Okay, okay, number of similar bugs to retrieve, whether they should be five, three, or how much. I can just decide that the minimum can be three and the maximum can be 15. So minimum three means I just kept because it would be better. And maximum 15, I guess that would be more than enough. So basically, by default, it sets on 5. Okay. Now, as this is an analysis summary. Okay. So analysis summary is nothing but it's a short summary about which is a combined summary of all these five agents. Okay. So for all these five agents, what is the severity and what should be the priority level? What is the error type? Where did it broke? Okay. And what is the root cause? Again, the fix. Right. If I can just if you just remember this thing, what I did here was, if you all remember, I have just kept here as capital I, right? That was the error. See, in this line only it was showing an error. Now there was capital I, and in the fix, what it showed a small I. If you just observe this thing, okay. So this is what the recommended fix this about. Okay, it gives us a exact fix. Yeah. Now, see here, I have a root cause analysis. Okay, root analysis, duplicate deduction. Okay, so how much it is matching. Okay, how much it is, and recommended fix. So fix steps, what to do, and all. Let's show the typo. Okay, typo in println. Yeah, basically we did that only, right? So this was a before thing where if you can see this is a capital I. Okay, if you can see this is a capital I. And now capital I, now it became the small I because that was an error and this is the correct part, right? If you could just compare them, just check, get the same thing. Okay. And yeah, references about that. So see, it has gave us a correct error, right? I mean, the error has been done, right? So we'll just do the same thing, okay? From capital I to small I will do, and we'll see whether it's or not. So let us now, yes, see, it has run. It has given us an output, hello world in Java, right? Before it was giving an error, now it gave. So it is giving us a correct thing, right? So if I just click fix worked, so what happens basically is um, so what the bug which has been fixed, it has been saved to the knowledge base, means knowledge base is getting updated, the knowledge base is getting updated. Okay, and yeah, one thing, so whenever you're using this app, one thing is for sure that if the error is not solved, okay, you don't need to paste it. I mean, you don't need to click fix. If you're not sure, if the error is not correct, or if you're not sure whether this can fix or not, better not to click fixed, because if any wrong type of data is going in the knowledge base, it would disturb the whole cycle. Okay, it would disturb the whole knowledge base, because there is an incorrect thing when the knowledge base is full of corrected things. Might be one or two, but I there is no. Okay, there is no like incorrect things. So if anything goes wrong, okay, the wrong information, it would learn that only. So we don't want that to learn, right? That's right. Now coming to this thing, confirm fix. Okay. So status confirmed is this. So actually, the when there are three status given here. First one, if it is fixed and if it is resolved. So basically, if it is fixed and added to the database, it will give us this message: resolved and added to the database. If it the second case is, if it is fixed but not added to the database, it will give us resolved but not added to the database, or a kind of message will be shown like that only. Uh, and the third is, if the status, like if it is, if the it's not a correct thing which is recommended, we'll click it not fixed up. Okay, so it will give us a message not added to the database as it is wrong, right? So these are the five agents I have showed you. Okay, one, two, this, and yeah, here the full in detail things are there. Okay, where you'll see the triage and loggage agent things. Okay, you'll see the full root cause agent. You'll see the duplicate detection result. Everything you're going to see here. Okay, these are in detail things. Okay, that which we have seen is a kind of a summary things. Okay, these are the in detail long. Okay, so now, and the similar bugs which are from the tag, and top five there. Okay, so basically by default that's it. Now, I hope this is clear to you, right? This whole thing is clear, right? Pasting, getting the summary, and if you want a full-fledged everything, it's given here. Okay, um, and then the root cause, definitely the root cause and all, the duplicate bugs. Okay, and the recommended fix. If it is fixed, then you have to click fix. If not, not fixed. Okay, and this is the data which is saved. Okay, and this is a rat from rat we are getting this all things. Okay, and if you can see, these are the data things which we are having. Yeah, even it detects the live submissions, because there are three data sets majorly which was recommended for us was Mozilla, Apache, and Eclipse, right? So Mozilla, Apache, and Eclipse, three of them I have. The new one is what the live submissions. Even the whatever we are pasting here, that is also been added to the knowledge base, right? Which are correct. So that's why from the knowledge base only we are getting live submissions, because whatever we have submitted here, the bugs which have been submitted here and it added to the knowledge base, they are getting as label as live submission. Okay, Eclipse, Mozilla is not here, but yeah, it's there. The data set is there. We'll get to know. Okay. Um, Okay, there is one more thing. If here I have just shown you the thing. Okay, only the input part. Let me add it up with the file as well. So this is the file. Okay, where it has a bug. Okay, I just need to. Okay, okay. So the file has been pasted. Okay. Now, if you can see, basically what I did here is it's regarding the Java, right? JavaScript. No, it's regarding the JavaScript. So let me show you this thing. Okay, I guess I did. So I have just, yeah, what I did was here I have uh, converted the small n to the capital N. Okay, and I am running this thing. So now what will happen is, so basically I'm just creating an error to just show you that it's working or not. Okay, I'll just copy this thing error. Okay, I got this error, so I'll copy it and I'll just paste it here. So means I have already pasted in the file. No need to do that because this file is containing the same error which I have just copied. Okay. So as you can see, what I did there was adding up this thing, right? Adding up this. Okay. So however, I got this error and it gave me the correct fix. Okay. In JavaScript, we are aware of that. Console JavaScript again case sensitive thing. Okay. So small and I have converted to capital and got an error. Typo error, right? So it's giving me the correct thing. So it is giving me the correct thing. So if I just convert it to the small n and run it, it is running. It is accepting. See the output we got, right? So the fix is correct. Okay, again the same thing. If I click the full details, it will just show us the full details. Okay, and the root cause agent here, duplicate detection, and the matches are also giving us a good result. They're proving because before matches were a bit more low and recommended fix. Okay. And if you can see before it was capital and now it is small n and the app is also like clear. Means the code is also running perfectly. And this thing does this. Okay. And here, as you know, right, it fixed. So I'll just click fix. It gets fixed and then done. The status of that is fixed. So then as a same, but it's added to the database, submitted the bugs, okay, similar past bugs and all these things. Now, this is what we were having in this tab, which is nothing but bug submitted. Now, in the analytics board, we are having this. Okay, anything but is basically a life trapping one. Okay. So how many bugs we have submitted until now are 59. The classified bugs, okay, which are, the LLM is able to identify are 54, and the unknown are 8.5. Means out of 59, 8.5 of them are unknown. Means LLM is not able to. Say here it's given 54 out of 9 submissions were successfully classified. 5 of them have unclassified component due to pipeline or extraction issue. Due to this, it is not able to extract it. So they are excluded from the component percentages and tracked as real metrics. Okay. I hope that makes sense. In simple way, if you did not understand, in simple way, it's saying that uh, from here, which is from 15 out of 15 and 54 are classified one, and the 5 of them are unknown. Okay, they are not classified. Okay, unknown component things. Okay, so that are bit excluded from this. So, and the severity, how many is it? There are 13 bugs which have been reported as critical, okay, which has been identified as critical. The bugs, 8 bugs which have been submitted are labeled as low. Okay, 6 bugs which have been submitted to us have the label high, and most of them are what medium. Most of those bugs are medium, okay, and the percentage you can just see. And yeah, for the information I have used here Plotly, okay, so that it should be a kind of interactive thing. Okay, so wherever I just take this cursor, it just shows this thing. Okay, and you can see this colors. Compared to Matplotlib, Plotly is an interactive thing. Okay, and see if you can just see component breakdown. Okay, so a lot of components we are having here, which have been submitted even for the database API happened. Okay. Now the root cause. This was what for the component breakdown, which are classified submissions only. This severity. So unclassified are excluded from the component breakdown. Okay, means the components which are not classified have been breakdown. I mean they have been excluded from the breakdown. Okay, and if you just see this was for severity, this severity, and this was for component, this was for root cause. Okay, so basically what happened while I was submitting a bug, what I did by mistakenly I've submitted three, four different bugs at a time. So due to that, at the end, if you just see there is a error, multiple errors, right? Which was nothing but about null pointer type or error correction. So that's why here it is given one bug, which is one. So I just wanted you all to remove this thing. Okay, this that was a mistake, but yeah, it was not able to do that. So you can just see some entries may reflect compound submission containing multiple distinct issues. Okay, means the bug which I have submitted there, it was having multiple issues. Okay, so it does not like was able to detect the correct thing. That was the thing. Okay, and root cause agent, if you can see null pointer and all. Uh, okay, these are the things. Now submissions, right? This is a live tracking thing as I told you. Okay, so today I have submitted four bugs. Okay. Yesterday I was okay. Yesterday I have submitted three bucks. Okay. Again I have submitted how many on 11th of August, four bucks, because in my database their date and time is mentioned. That was also a good help for me. Okay. Now I hope that makes sense. Okay. Let us also see one more thing. If what if happens? So if I just write here, let me create an error again. Basically, I don't want to find the errors. So the errors which we know, okay, the one which got really fixed are better ones. I just feel that. Okay. If I greater than three, okay, I just forgot this. I just knowingly I won't add colon. Actually, colon should be added here. One second, I'll just show you. Print and also I'll initialize I equals to one. If I print Moiz. Okay, so this, okay, one second. If I is greater than three, sorry, if I is less than three, print. Yeah, see, I is less than three, it has printed Moiz. Okay, it's just giving an output. Now, what I will do, I'll just remove this colon. Okay, before there was a colon, if you can just see, there was a colon. Now I'm removing it and I'm running it. It will give me a syntax error basically. Okay, runtime syntax error. See, so I'll just copy this and I'll paste it. Now again, why I'm showing this thing is I want to show you the live tracking. Okay? Before it showed me four bugs I have submitted. Now it will show me five bugs that I have submitted today. Let's see. It shows that would definitely, but let's see. Okay, this is a submitted bug which I just got. Okay, regarding this, and yeah, if statement one by remote. Okay, so now analytics. Basically, just now we have done. So we'll refresh the analytics again. We need to do that because as we have submitted a bug, so we just need to show. See, before what it was 60, 59, now it is 60. Okay. And if you can just see how many bugs today I have submitted are five. Okay. Five. This is what I just want to show you the live tracking and all. I hope that makes sense. And if anything, please let me know. Just help you out. And this is a menu again. Any improvement, tell me. We'll just go with that. Okay. And with that, I hope everything was clear. Great. Thank you. Anything I forgot? I guess I just showed you everything. Yes, I guess I've showed everything. So I just stop this thing here. And okay, that's it. Thank you.